everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Captain Radar. Today we're going to be unboxing something a little special. Let's see if you can guess what it is. Alrighty, so I picked up a new iPad Pro because the iPad that I was using was the iPad Air 2 back in 2014. I bought that release day 128 gig model because at the time I was doing school, I was doing literally everything on the iPad, and then I became a big boy, in quotes, and bought a MacBook, and yeah, I've been stuck in the Apple ecosystem ever since 2012 or something. Who knows? I like it. If you don't like it, leave a comment down below. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know why you don't like Apple. I know there are reasons. And yeah, so let's just jump right into it. Maybe. Hey, there we go. Yeah, we're doing this live. I don't care. Well, recorded live. Whatever. So, this is the box. I already took the plastic off of it. It's the 1 terabyte. I realize you can't see that. Oh well. It's the 1 terabyte Cellular model because I decided if I was going to do it, I might as well put it on my cell plan for whatever reason. The reason why I went with the 1 terabyte option is because that has the 16 gigs of RAM. And yeah, here's the meat and potatoes. Let's lift that up out of the way and we'll look at that in a sec. Let's look what comes in the box. Oh, yeah, whatever. What comes in the little packet, which I don't understand why they put a spacer there, but whatever, is your quick start guide to how to use the iPad. And then all the fancy things with Touch ID and, not Touch ID, Face ID. The saying, we're California safe. Since it's the cellular model, it came with a SIM ejection tool that will probably never get taken out of the box because I have one on my keys. And the most prized possession of, for some reason, for a lot of people, are the Apple stickers. So, and you also get the charger and a 3-foot USB-C to C cable. Which, spoiler, I've already set up the iPad and done everything because I thought I had to activate it. So, let's get to the re-unboxing. Yeah, look at that. So, this is it. Let's take a quick tour around it. There's the top. Power button. Yeah, you can see that power button. Speaker grill 1, speaker grill 2. On this side, it has the charging port. Well, charging pad for the pencil. The bottom has your single Thunderbolt 3. Right? Yeah, I think it's Thunderbolt 3 or Thunderbolt 4. Like I said, we're just going to do it live. I'll look. Just do it live. I'd like to say it's Thunderbolt 3. But, you know, as I'm looking that up, we'll move along. On this side, it's your SIM. I'm trying to remember. No, it's one of your microphones. Oh, I also forgot on this side the SIM, where the SIM is. The other two speaker grills. Microphone. And we're back along the top. So, and then your 12.9-inch liquid retina display. I know you're probably wondering why mine looks a little matte. It's because I put a paper-like Oh, great. I put a paper like screen protector on it. Oh, and on the back has the 3 dots for the smart connector for the keyboard. I got this basically to, let's switch back to this. I got it to replace, in a way, replace my my iPad, B, my MacBook, because there are some things that I don't need a full-on 15-inch MacBook for. Granted, I know what you're saying. Well, Tom, or Radar, why didn't you just pick up the 13-inch MacBook Pro? The reasoning behind that is I bought, well, I like the iPad, and the iPad that I currently have is going on 10 years old, and it's still getting updates. But I had a feeling that this was going to be the last year that they were going to be doing any updates, so I upgraded. I got a good deal with my cell provider, and yeah. And to get the full experience, I ended up picking up the keyboard, which I want someone comment down below and tell me what you see is missing. Pause the video and you can see what's missing. I want to see who gets it right. And I also picked up the $120 or $130 pencil. I didn't spend that. Found a good deal online and snatched that up. So yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more videos from the iPad because I ended up buying LumaFusion, which, if you know what LumaFusion is, it's the editing software that you can do on iOS and now macOS. So yeah, I'm going to do some comparisons between this and my old iPad. I also wanted to do a little bit of a first impressions of the iPad. I know I'm probably still in the honeymoon phase since I only started using it on Tuesday, and it's now, what, Thursday? Yeah. I love it. Again, I know people are going to classify me as a fanboy, whatever, don't care. I'm recording this actually on a Windows PC, so yeah, I'm loving it. It's definitely a lot faster than my Air 2, but granted, the Air 2 I think only has 4 gigs of RAM. And no, hold on. Okay, so I just looked it up real fast. My old iPad, the Air 2, has 2 gigs of RAM and 8 cores. The new iPad that I have has here it is. Has 16 gigs of RAM, and I think, hold on. I know, I'm really slow. It also has 8 cores, but it has 4 high performance and 4 high efficiency, whatever that means. I mean, hey, whatever. But yeah, that's my first impression with it. I like it. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Make sure to like, comment. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube algorithm stuff. And see you in the next one. Bye.